Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set an invisible name on Instagram, creating a clean, unique look for your profile. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more. Start by opening the Instagram app and tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap Edit Profile and then select Name. Before making any changes, keep in mind that once you update your name, you won't be able to change it again for 14 days. When you're ready, delete your current name. You'll find an invisible character in the description of this video that you can copy. After copying the character, return to Instagram, paste it into the name field, and tap Done to save your changes. And that's it! Your Instagram name is now invisible, giving your profile a minimalist touch. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Instagram tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.